Welcome to RSign, e-signatures made simple. How to sign a document. Your prepared document that is ready to receive a signature will be delivered right to the signer's inbox. When they open the email, the markings clearly display its importance and that there is a document ready for viewing and awaiting a signature and acceptance. Once they click View and Sign Document, they are directed to your prepped and ready web-hosted document. Notice the checklist to the left. This ensures that everything that is needed to be signed is, and guides the signer to the next field to complete. Once they have completed a field, the corresponding checkbox turns green, signifying that requirement has been completed. Signers even have a choice on how they want their scripted signature to look, or they can draw their name to indicate their signature. When all of the checkboxes are green, the document is complete and it can now be returned. The signer clicks Submit to return the fully completed document. The sender and all signers are notified via email that the document is now fully executed. Click View Document to download the automatically converted PDF document, which includes an RSign certificate to increase the evidential weight of the eSign record for court-admissible authentication. Included is the audit log in each party's name, email, signature, IP address, server logs, and other identification and forensic transaction information.